New at noon, bringing you breaking news on the coronavirus here in Rhode Island. Here are the latest headlines. Rhode Island Governor Gina Raimondo saying dine-in restaurants, cafes, and eateries must close starting tomorrow until March 30th. Takeout and delivery can continue for the time being. A live update from the State Department of Administration is straight ahead. Wall Street suspended trading briefly this morning, just 2 minutes after the opening bell. This is the third time in the last 2 weeks this has happened. Stocks lost 8% in morning trading. This after the Fed cut its key interest rate yesterday to near zero. Oil prices also dropping. And with all the public schools closed in Rhode Island this week, Governor Raimondo has called for daycare centers to close as well because the spread of the virus means extreme social distancing is a must right now for all of us. Another significant development, the city of Providence calling for Providence Place Mall to close operations entirely. The announcement coming just as the state of Rhode Island lawmakers and health officials brought out their daily update. Governor Raimondo announcing today a moratorium starting tomorrow on dining out. Eyewitness News reporter Kim Kalunian working the very latest, a very busy morning so far in Providence.
Yeah, truly a busy morning, Patrick. Multiple big headlines coming out of this news conference today, including that Rhode Island likely now has community spread of the coronavirus. So what that means is that folks are transmitting the virus amongst each other here in Rhode Island rather than, say, someone returning from international travel who's already been infected. The latest case announced today, a woman in her 40s who is in isolation at a hospital in serious condition, and health officials say they do not know the source of her illness, and that is why they are continuing these extreme social distancing measures, including the ones that were announced today. In that vein, the governor saying all restaurants, bars, and cafes must stop dine-in service, as you mentioned, starting tomorrow, March 17th, and that will last through March 30th. Again, no dining in at local restaurants during this time, but takeout and delivery will still be available. The governor says she will revisit this issue in the coming weeks. Now, the state is also putting a limit on gatherings of 25 people or more. You must now restrict that to 25 people or less. The mayor of Providence ordering the Providence Place Mall to shutter indefinitely starting tomorrow. The governor says it is highly critical to maintain social distancing throughout these next 2 weeks.
It's not a joke. It's about keeping yourselves alive and helping us to make sure that our healthcare system isn't overwhelmed.
The way this virus spreads is when groups of people get together and folks have symptoms of illness. That's all the virus needs. We are looking to stop the spread of illness, and that can only work with everyone participating. That's our teenagers, our students, and our adults setting the example.
And the governor today saying going to a restaurant is not necessary, but eating is. So if you need to go to the grocery store, you can still do that. We are expecting another announcement from the governor this afternoon. That briefing is scheduled for 4 o'clock, and we will bring that to you live on air and online. During that announcement, we are expecting an update on the status of state buildings. Again, we will be bringing you that this afternoon around 4 o'clock on air and online. For now, reporting live in Providence, I'm Kim Kalunian, Eyewitness News.
All right, thank you, Kim. Other Rhode Island headlines. Diocese of Providence now telling parishioners to stay home. Masses are being canceled, and WPRI.com has learned a local manufacturer is being employed to make medical masks. An aide to Donald Trump said Honeywell of Smithfield can start producing masks within a month if they get regulatory approval. We'll bring you more details on that later today, of course, on Eyewitness News. Amid the mandate of no gatherings bigger than 25 people, Rhode Island public schools have been ordered closed for the remainder of this week at least. The governor saying she'll need a few more days to decide if they will be closed beyond this week. Daycares also asked to close their doors as well. Eyewitness News reporter Alexandra Leslie joining us from the newsroom now with the very latest on how parents and kids are dealing with this.
So Patrick, as you mentioned, schools and daycare facilities are only put in place to close for this week only. And as we reported, the governor moved up April vacation to this week. So during this week, the message from the governor and the Rhode Island Department of Health is to stay home and avoid gatherings. Also this week, the Department of Education asking districts to submit virtual learning plans by Thursday in case schools need to be closed for a longer period of time. The move currently less drastic compared to Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker. Yesterday, he ordered all schools to close for 3 weeks starting tomorrow. Here's Rhode Island Governor Gina Raimondo's message to students, parents, and teachers right now.
I'm asking for a day or two, and we'll be coming out with an announcement very soon around what we think is best and safest for school in the coming couple of weeks.
Now, the governor added that meal pickups for students and seniors are being handled on a city-by-city basis. So to check in with your community on that, we have details for different communities on our website, WPRI.com. Live in the newsroom, Alexandra Leslie, Eyewitness News.
Massachusetts Governor Charlie Baker has not ordered the closing of childcare in the Bay State, though all public and private schools have been told to close tomorrow through April 6th. Massachusetts restaurants also are takeout only right now. Hospitals told to postpone elective surgeries, and medical facilities being told to restrict or ban visitors in some cases altogether and screen visitors in other situations.